Welcome back to my channel. This video is about how I get all my braids to be similar, how I get all of them to be proportional, same size, same look, uniform. I'll be using hair from hairforthelow.com. We're using 3-tone a 24-inch hair braiding. We call this color honey blonde. I'm not sure how many packs I'll be using yet because this one is a specific order. She wants them very small, so stay tuned. I'm using this to dry clothes. This is from Walmart. This will be holding the hair from me. I'll be using this chair to braid the hair. My phone will be sitting there to film it. I'll be sitting here, and those are just some lights. Stay tuned. Okay, now let's start with splitting the hair proportionally. What you do when you first get your pack, you start splitting into two. The most important part is feeling the hair. When you feel it, like now I'm feeling it, this is thicker than this. If you look, you may not see it, which is very important to feel the hair. This is thicker than this. So I'll just take a little bit more and part it. Let's see if, yeah, now they kind of feel the same. It's not gonna be 100% the same density since we just feeling it, but now I kind of feel like they're the same. Now that we have them separated into two, we're just gonna take one and put it to the side and focus on this one. We'll do the same thing for this one too. Once you get a hold of it, you'll do it faster. I'm not gonna do it faster here because I'm trying to have you understand how I'm doing it, but it's not really time consuming. You just feel it. They both feel the same. I'm putting this on the side too. You split this into two again. Feel the same to me. So let's put these here and split this. Oops, sorry. Okay, don't move. And we'll split this into two. Okay. Now we have 4 braids. This is 4. We'll make sure we do the same thing for the other half. That's if the person wants some medium braids. So that means one pack will be 8 braids. This is 4, the other one would be 4. But this specific person asked me to make some small braids. So what I would do is I'll be splitting these into 2 because she wants them small. Don't forget to feel the hair as you split them. I'll split this into 2. Now I'll do the same for these. Now we have 8 braids for half of the pack. So in total, one pack should give us 16 braid. 16 to 17. The reason I'm saying 17 is because even though you take your time and split them that well, one of them will be thin and one of them may be too thick. So as you braid, you'll be taking a little bit of hair out. I'll show you that in a few minutes. What I'll do with those 8, I'll just hang them on the hanger and then come back to repeat the same process for this one. See, now I have 8 braids hanging there. I'll just take the other half and repeat the same process. What I did was, this is the middle of the hair. The elastic band will always remind you the middle of the hair. You'll see it crushed here a little bit. This is the middle of the hair, and we make sure it's still equal. You split this into 2, always feeling the hair as you split it. What's good about this hair is when you start splitting like that, it doesn't tangle. It will tangle once you start working with it because of the texture of the hair, but I'll show you what you can do to prevent it from tangling and turning bad. Let's see. Yeah, they kind of feel the same. I'll rest this on the side and split this into 2 again and kind of fill it. Okay, And I'll go ahead and split this into two. Fill it. Okay. Since I want 8 braids out of them, not 4, I'll split each of them into 2. This is what I was talking about. Even though I tried my best to make them equal and I kind of feel it, you can tell that this is thicker than this. So what I would do, I just take a little bit of it and add it on this one. Take a little bit and fill it and add. Okay, now they kind of look similar. We don't know yet. We'll find out once we start splitting them into 2. Let's split this one. Kind of fill it a little bit. Okay, now we have another 8 braids. Edge strand to braid. I'll go ahead and hang them there again, then we'll start braiding. So far this is what we have. This is just 3 packs. Each row has 16 strands on them. I'm gonna do the last one, then we start braiding.